Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And let's go party on the Mardi Gras. On the trip.
Put your left arm inside, lie on your shoulders, exactly like this. Once you lie it on, you have to follow the strap all the way to the back to find the other end of the strap. Once you find it, make sure you click it, it's tight.
Moments later.
Alright guys, so we are on the ship. We've been on the ship about 30 minutes. Something like that. What do you think about the Embarkation?
So I have to say Embarkation so far wasn't bad at all. I knew we had seen some videos where there seemed to be, you know, it was really long and a lot of people standing there. But honestly, I felt like it moved pretty quickly. No real issues, plenty of space for people to be. I will say a lot of people apparently showed up outside of their time and couldn't board. We showed up later than ours, so we were able to walk right on. So that may be a little bit of a difference from your experience if you show up a little earlier than your time. Honestly, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. No. Once you get through security and walk down the hall and take your picture, if you want to take your picture, it's a little bit of a walk, but it wasn't really that bad. Honestly, it moved pretty quickly. So, what we lucked out with our muster station being C6. It was right after we got on the cruise ship, so it's right there at Grand Central. So I like that. But of course, everybody getting on there. There's the elevator. Typical first day. We knew that was going to happen. But so far, that's really been that bad.
So we're just hanging out here in the Brass Magnolia. And it's a beautiful bar. It really is.
Nice. We'll show you some of that.
Yep.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
we're on the ship.
So we should be able to go to our room in about 20 minutes. So we're just going to hang out until we can.
Yep. And then we'll go to the sail away party and see how that's.
He will go to the sail away party.
Okay, we'll see what's popping off at the sail away party at 4 o'clock. So we'll come back and show you that a little bit later. We're here.
Yay.
Yay.
Oh. your internet is not going to work inside the ship.
Oh, yeah.
So if you got Verizon, never.
As soon as you get in, cut off. You might as well go outside.
We're going to try it from the balcony because I got to call my mom.
Exactly. So we'll see.
Meanwhile.
Hey everybody. Okay, I know I look a little bad. We just took a nap. You look neat. You can store your little books and stuff back there on the little. Anyway, so we did something different this time, so we wanted to share it with you. Somebody recently had a birthday. Wasn't me. And so we decided.
Wasn't me either.
Who was it?
I don't know, Pop-Tart.
No.
It was me.
How old are you now? I'm joking.
4.
I'm 29. Anyway, so as part of it, we actually got a specialty cake for Corey's birthday. And you know, we see people get these online all the time, but then they never tell you what they taste like, if they're any good, what it looks like. So we actually ordered a couple of things. They come from Cherry on Top. We ordered a couple things for his celebration, but also so we could taste these and tell you guys what they're like. So first I got a cheese tray, because I always wonder what the cheese tray is like, because I like to have a little snack in the room, and I thought cheese was a nice, comes with a little bit of fruit, a nice snack to have in the room instead of cookies or something like that. But then we also got cake, but check it out. Corey's got a chocolate cake, and that's his actual birthday cake. And since I was ordering, they actually have sugar-free cake too. Now Corey didn't want the sugar-free cake, and I understand, but I did go ahead and just order the sugar-free cake as well, so that we could try it and let you guys know how it is. I'll let you know if I think it has maltitol in it, and for those who know, you know. But let's go ahead and get into it and check it out.
So you can see it comes in these big boxes. Look how big these boxes are. Now the cake isn't really as big as that box that you see there.
And by the way, these are the small versions of the cakes. They do offer larger sizes. Can you get that?
Yeah, grab the box.
So this is a 9-inch.
So you can see, it's not really, it looks like the size of a cheesecake.
It does.
That's what it looks like to me.
It's pretty.
This says HB for happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, that looks good.
That does look good. You see that?
Now you don't have a plate, so you just lay it on.
You just lay it on the side?
They give you a plate to put it on.
Gotta eat from it. That's okay. It's very light. Like that just like melted.
In your
melted
mouth.
right in my mouth.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Is it good though? 1 to 10.
No,
1 to 10.
It's, hold on, let me take another bite. Hold on. It's very good.
Yay!
I totally give that. I give that a good 9.
So would you recommend this to people who are celebrating anniversary, a wedding, an anniversary or a birthday?
Absolutely.
Or anything?
It's light. It's not very dense at all. Like, it's not dry, which is good, but it's not frosting. So if you're like looking for a normal traditional cake with like frosting, it's not frosting. It's almost like kind of like a whipped topping type of thing. You know, almost mousse-like too, but it's very good.
Now keep it real. For the rest of the cake, are you gonna cut slices? Or are you just gonna be digging your fork in there?
Hell no, I'm gonna put my fork in it. Keep it real. What's the point? We're not really sharing
Okay. All right.
with other people. I mean, you know.
This is happy anniversary.
Oh, it's a pretty heart.
It is pretty.
It's about the same size and height. Let's see.
And I think it has strawberries in it.
You think it's white?
Yeah, I don't want that. Look at that.
Oh, you don't think?
We're not going to use this
What is
fork,
up with the
this
fork?
knife.
Right. No. You think it has strawberries inside of it?
That's what it said online.
It is strawberry.
It's like moussey.
It is. It looks like it's the
I
same.
can tell you, it feels like a crusty sugar frosting on the outside. Let me taste it. Okay. I actually like it. It tastes like, you can't see my butt reflection in the mirror window, can you? I actually like this. It is very light, like you said. It tastes like a whipped cream cake.
Mm-hmm.
That's the best way for me to describe it. It doesn't, I was scared it was going to taste real artificial and funky. It doesn't.
It doesn't. It doesn't have an aftertaste.
Mm-mm.
It's not bad, but you can definitely taste the difference between sugar-free and
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Happy birthday to me. Now, how much are these?
$10 a piece.
Not bad.
I would say totally worth it if you're trying to surprise somebody or
Absolutely.
want a little sweet treat.
So we will see you guys in another clip with some more fun activities. Okay, guys. We hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that like button if you did. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.